What's the meaning of corridor? Corridor. Corridor.
Corridor. Corridor. A corridor refers to a long, narrow passageway or hallway, often found in buildings or transportation systems like trains. It typically provides access to different rooms or areas within a structure, and may also connect to other corridors or outdoor paths. Corridors may be designed for functional purposes, such as facilitating the movement of people or goods, or for aesthetic reasons, such as adding visual interest through artwork or architectural details. Overall, corridors serve as an important component of many built environments, providing connectivity and organization within complex spaces.